And dito sa pagsisimula ng third, di rin siya nagsimula. Talking about Joe GDL, they let Marlon Monte get to the cup. Siapco, Pagkalinawan, Doligon, and Decoy Lopez. Eusebio, too strong. Labastida, sidestep. Will finish off that fast break.
5 straight points to start here para sa Parañaque.
Pagkalinawan, good pass inside. Decoy Lopez will finish. Wala na sa kanila si Alvin Pasaol, who moved over to Marikina. Labastida whips a pass. Monte will finish over Pagkalinawan.
7-2 to start the quarter. Fix it, but offensively, they're a little bit more aggressive.
Pagkalinawan, that shot challenged. Matiliano with an acrobatic layup.
During the pandemic, he lost his lola and mother, his first supporters in his career, and he was still pretty emotional sharing about this earlier. So every game is offered to them while also hanging pretty tight for his dream and for his son. Kidding, Coach Juanito.
Itong si Joe GDL.
Rebound, agawan, napunta kay Matiliano. Labastida sa loob. Banggaan, Lopez at Peralta. Peralta winning that battle.
You know, this is a good matchup between these two. Ito, if I'm not mistaken, they were teammates actually for a time in Negros.
Okay.
Nag-aabot ba sila?
I'm not sure.
Opportunity to steal niya sana yun para kay John Fa. The ball was in front of him.
De La Rosa. Pinasahan si Peralta. Pivots his way inside. 2 more points for Sam Peralta.
Maliit itong defender ni Sam Peralta. Comfortable on the inside. They gave him the ball and getting it to 2.
Joe GDL. Joe GDL meron ng 19 points. Matiliano. Lista mo na yan. De La Rosa, pasa kay Husayan. Cora sa bandang kanan, binabantayan ni Joe GDL. Gomez Teliano with a steal, stretches and scores.
So I just want the dunk from Joe. On the open court, I just want the dunk from Joe. But it's still 2 points para dito sa Manila.
Matiliano takes it and makes it from downtown. 27 points for the Iceman.
A leading scorer already, tripling his usual scoring averages of 9. Itong si Domark Matiliano, lead guy in getting this run.
Matiliano sends it to Koga. Yes!
Grabe, he works on his game. Kasi ngayon may bago pa siyang hobby in being a professional podcaster.
Tama. Sa Linel Mintes, Parañaque, meron ng pagkakataon na lumamang sa possession na ito. They were down by 16 points earlier and now they find themselves in front after that Paulo Castro basket. Last time they won prior to that win against Imos on Independence Day was on Labor Day, May 1. Paulo Castro swishes in the jumper. 74-71. Ivan Salinel, bumukol sa 3. Pasok yan.
That's his role, really, to stretch out the floor para dito sa Manila. Kanina nasa gitna.
74 all. Baltasar trying to contain Paulo Castro. Between the legs, jumper against Janja. No problem for Paulo.
You are being sized up by Paulo Castro. He likes that one dribble to a jumper on the mid-range. This time, he was closed out well. Binigay yung 3, he was still able to make it. Ito si Paulo Castro.
Before finding his way back with Parañaque. Jobert Medina with a strong drive. The lefty finish.
Manu Ginobili.
No-brainer, no?
No-brainer. I mean, one of the top 5. Lagi kong binibilang kasi yun. Hindi ko alam bakit kung ganun ako. Lagi kong binibilang yung top 5 favorite players ko. Kung may papasok, kung may lalabas. So, laging hindi lumalabas dyan si Manu Ginobili.
Ni Yoyo pa. Ni Alfred Cedillo.